If you want to find the clipboard on your Samsung phone, so first of all, open any application, right, which you can use your keyboard, so it can be Google, can be just any kind of search tab. And here you have to find this icon. However, if you don't have it, it's not a big deal. Let's make sure that it's activated. So open up your settings, scroll down to your general management tab. Here it is. After that, choose your keyboard list and default option and make sure that you have your Samsung keyboard as a default, right? After that, press on this gear icon and you will be set to Samsung keyboard settings. Here, make sure that your keyboard toolbar is enabled, otherwise you won't have your clipboard. All right, after that, let's repeat the step. So let's open up Google this time, right? Let's manage our keyboard, and here you should find this icon. If you cannot find it, press on these three dots and it will be here. So now choose it, and here is all of your saved messages, some media, text, links, images, basically any kind of content. You can pin it here, you can delete it, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.